Greetings, RC aliens, and welcome to another Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. It's been ages since I've done a video upload besides my recent sketchbook tour. I still need to scan some pages out. Anyway, this is the first time I've used pastels in probably 30 years, 35 years. Last time would have been at high school. So here I am looking through a old sketchbook, finding a reference drawing to draw in pastels. They weren't as soft as I was expecting. That may be a manifestation of the paper I was using. The pastels is a 36 pack of Staedtler, and on the back it says, "Brilliant, color intensive oil pastels, especially break resistant, waterproof, suitable for all surfaces, suitable for a whole range of painting techniques." I have found that putting fixative over the top doesn't really fix them, probably because they're oily and thick. I was also using a Derwent Academy Artist Acrylic paint pad, which is 300 grams acid free. And thinking about that, I think what I should have been using was a watercolor paper, medium surface, 200 gram acid free sketch pad, because I bought some acrylic inks and I'm pretty sure the acrylic paint pad is meant for them. So my next pastel drawing will be on the watercolor, and we'll see how that goes. So I've used my usual drawing technique here, where I've blue penciled out the rough sketch and then fine line it in the details. I'm not sure if that's how someone would normally do pastels, but then your technique is your technique. I'm going for a sort of a Arctic Parka look here on the slouchy alien. So we've got sort of a brownish or fur liner in the coat, and it's going to be olive. Once we draw that, I'm using maybe 2 or 3 different shades of pastels to do the shadows and the highlights. You can see this is fairly rough because the 300 gram acrylic pad is pretty rough on the surface. So let's just see how rough the watercolor pad is. Yeah, the watercolor pad has a bit of roughness, but I don't think it's anywhere near as rough as the acrylic pad. So when I do my next drawing, it'll be on the watercolor, but I'm pretty sure I've stated that. That's what you get when I don't script these things anymore due to time constraints. So yeah, I've given the dude one eyeball and made the rest black. So the thinking here is that they're shaded or something, like it's sunglasses, or it's one of those snow goggle sort of situations. I think I drew this dude ages ago. Just a quick little biro rough. It is an alien. The thinking is it's got eyes all around its head, and it uses a respirator to breathe wherever it is. So here I haven't drawn any facial features other than the eyes, and I'm going to hint at a nose by some darker colour. Same for what may or may not be an Adam's apple. Having a little go at smudging, not too sure about that. Could also just be the paper. So there we go, we've got a nose. You can see I've sort of ruined the forehead with some smudging after looking at the drawing for a while. Now, I don't really mind what happens there. Who knows? Maybe it's a wacky shadow, or it needs a wash. Anyway, that's that drawing there. So, if you like what you saw, or have any hints or suggestions, or you can do something different based on this, let me know in the comments. And yeah, until next time, you've been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman.